Welcome to the Honda Financial Services Business Contract Hire video. We've been helping Honda customers purchase their Honda products for over 20 years. We're authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. We are accredited members of the Institute of Customer Service, which means we're committed to providing an excellent customer experience. Business Contract Hire is the finance product available to you from Honda Contract Hire to help finance your car. Business Contract Hire is a type of rental agreement that allows a business to hire a vehicle rather than owning it outright. If you are a VAT-registered business, you will be able to recover a portion of the VAT paid on the rentals. Rentals are also allowable against tax. Additionally, you have the flexibility to change your contract term and mileage should your circumstances change. So how does this work? Choose the car you want and estimate how many miles you will drive each year, as this will affect your monthly rental. You can then adjust the length of agreement to suit you, from 2 to 5 years. You will then have to pay an initial rental, which is normally 3 or 6 rentals in advance. You can also choose to pay for an additional monthly maintenance package to cover servicing, maintenance, and tyre replacement costs. Once you've paid all your rentals, as you can never own the car, you simply hand it back to Honda Contract Hire. They will check your car, and as long as you've stayed within your agreed mileage over the contract term and the car is in good condition, you have nothing further to pay. Then, together with your Honda dealer, you can start looking for your next Honda. Business Contract Hire may not be right for you, so please review our other finance product videos to make sure you choose the right product to suit your needs.